Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Children, trampolines are fun, but you should never jump too high or try to do dangerous tricks, okay?
Turunkan aku.
And Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Yes, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have two.
What? No. He ran out of asphalt in the middle of the night and asked me if he could come down here. Order in the court!
Seems like my mind has been changed.
Doc, I'm flat!
Paxton. Good luck. I must hurry. They're waiting for me up at the Blue Mountain.
You know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop.
He emerged 36 days later, running on a fuel he distilled himself from the natural elements.
Don't worry, Mama! The queen is very sad. I will beat...
I hereby dub thee...
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man! Wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco always wins. It's boring.
Tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper bomb. Hey, everybody, listen up. My best friend, Lightning McQueen,
¡Qué grandes!
and...
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning...
Driving straight through all night till we get to California. We agreed to it.
All night? May I remind...
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
Speed.
somewhere?
It's good to be home, everybody.
Pistón Chiquis. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner...
No, you are not winning this.
Ah, you're angry!
I am not angry.